Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch or transfer phones on your AT&T plan. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's say you have an old phone and you wanted to switch to a new phone, or you just bought a new phone and you want to transfer the phone number or line to that new phone. The first thing you're going to do is head into the settings on the old phone. So open up the old phone, head into the settings, and tap on General, and then tap on About at the very top. After you've done that, let's just scroll down because you're looking for carrier lock. You can see in my case, it says it's SIM locked and the network is AT&T. If I tap on that, essentially I need to unlock this old phone to be able to transfer that phone number and transfer everything over to a new phone. If it is locked, then you just need to contact AT&T to unlock it. You can do that just by opening up a web browser, and you can type in AT&T unlock phone. And you can see it says check your phone and device unlock status, and you can submit an unlock request. You can see here it says check your current status, and you can see I can go back and check it if I've already submitted it, or I can submit a new request to unlock that device. So that's step number one, make sure it's unlocked. The next thing you're going to do on your new phone, so open up your new phone, and let's go to your settings. Let's go back to the beginning. On the settings of your new phone, you're going to tap on cellular here. And you can see if I scroll down, it says add an eSIM. I can tap on add eSIM. You'll be able to see it immediately says I can either use a QR code or I can transfer it from a nearby iPhone. So if you have an old iPhone and you're transferring it to a new one, you can just hit transfer from my old iPhone, and then you just need to put both iPhones next to each other and make sure both of them have Bluetooth turned on. So swipe down from the top right and make sure that Bluetooth is toggled on so that you can transfer that eSIM from the old phone number or old phone to the new one. Now, if that doesn't work for you, you can also just use a QR code. Essentially, this will bring up the camera and just request a new QR code for a new eSIM on your phone number to be able to transfer it to a new phone. If you don't have that QR code, again, just open up a web browser and you can type in AT&T QR code eSIM, and then just go through the process of getting that. You keep in mind, you might need to log into your account to request that eSIM. Now, after you go through this entire process, I would highly recommend on your old phone, backing it up and transferring it to your new phone as well. So to make sure it's all backed up, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. Tap on your name at the very top, and then tap on iCloud. From here, just tap on iCloud Backup and just tap on Backup Now. So essentially, you're backing up everything to the iCloud on your old phone, your old iPhone, or you can do this on an Android as well. And then you're going to bring everything over to the new one. And to bring it into the new one, all you need to do is just sign into your account. So just sign into your Apple ID account and make sure it's the exact same one. And after you've done that, it will ask you, do you want to just download everything from the iCloud? Or if you're setting up that phone as a new phone, it might just automatically ask you, do you want to transfer it from the old iPhone to the new one using Bluetooth? You can also do that process as well. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.